Oh my gosh, guys, it's here. Oh man, I've been waiting so long. It's called the One Funnel Away Challenge by ClickFunnels, and it is finally here. They'll send you, it's like this online course thing, and it's so freaking cool because it's like training for how to, really build that online sales funnel and learning about like online marketing and building a website where like you can send people there and, generate real relationships with individuals so that you can figure out, good fits in the marketplace and then use that as a way to connect people with products that make sense for them that they're looking for. So it's really freaking cool stuff. I've been looking at this program for a while now, ever since I published this book, 9 to Noon. It's been really tough for me to get it out there. And so this program, I hope, is really going to help me with that because they teach you, how to actually build the funnel and, get that online presence so that you can share your products and services with people. But at the same time, they're also giving you this physical training and the education on like standard affiliate marketing and learning how to do online advertisements. So this is so freaking cool stuff, and you can check it out. They have like this whole program they do where you share it with people and you can get some super cool prizes, win stuff online. And it's so fun because they put this, education and they combine it with this world-class product, which is the ClickFunnels solution. Let's see, there's some cool, access your training videos. It's a whole box of stuff, and there's, fun red stuff. But it's so cool. It's so good. Finally have the education in marketing and putting yourself in the marketplace so that you can get stuff like this or whatever it is you're passionate about that you want to bring to people so that you can really have the impact you want on their lives. So freaking firstly on this giant box is this super cool book thing. This is the 30 days book, which is actually like a pinnacle of the challenge because you're essentially getting literally like decades of marketing experience from like a first person perspective from I think 30 odd marketers. Then they've all written chapters in this book and shown, documented like what they do to be successful. And it's so cool. If you lose everything in 30 days, I can't wait to read this book. I mean, it's just so freaking cool. And it's like exactly how to build that online success. I mean, I'll have a book video on this soon. It's so freaking cool. I can't wait. You also get a super fun Russell Brunson $100 bill. So if you're into that, very fun stuff there. I love what he does. He's such a fun guy. I guess this is a cool bookmark. And then it's like, promote programs and affiliate marketing and super cool stuff like that. You also get this freaking awesome MP3 player. This One Funnel Away Challenge, right? It's like a 30-day boot camp program. And I think this is like the third one they've done. And it was so cool because it closed on April 29th, which was my birthday. It was like, dude, I just have to do this. It's the program, and they'll send you this really sweet, like I guess, MP3 player, and this is what they called it, the first entire series. So they've got all the audio recordings and lessons that they've learned in their first season of doing this challenge, and they've documented it and put it in this freaking really sweet like metal MP3 player, and it's so cool because now you can take the knowledge and insights that they've learned so far and take it on the go, learn about it just like their podcast, but instead of a podcast, you're getting such a higher quality piece of educational content that's going to be so much more valuable in the marketplace. It's freaking awesome. Cool little box it comes in. I mean, these guys really know how to like just crush it with physical execution of product delivery and pumping people up. Because essentially, right, when you use ClickFunnels, they're giving you, a program that you're going to use basically if you do it well for the rest of your life, because it's something that you basically use to run your entire online business presence. And so like there's such a high value associated with that you can have a higher cost per customer acquisition because you have such a high lifetime client value that it just makes sense to give a supreme and preeminent value proposition in the marketplace early on, and really set yourself apart from competition by giving people products that are just unparalleled, education-wise and then really performance-wise. So on top of that freaking awesome book and the MP3, it looks like you also get exclusive access to, you go on ClickFunnels and you'll learn about their program. ClickFunnels, like I didn't know what it was for like basically ever. I just recently learned about it. And it's been so cool because ever since I've, had the education in it, I actually learned about it in the Partner with Anthony program that I talk about on here, which is a really cool thing. But with that, this has just been such a whole new atmosphere and environment that I was never really exposed to. Like, and it's so cool because it's serenely powerful, like content, education, and then just fundamental application of like what you can do with this and turn it into real value in the marketplace and use it to turn, you know, your ideas and your information and your products and your services into dollars so that you can get them to more people and provide more value in the marketplace, which is so freaking cool. And I guess here, yeah, they've also got your workbook. So it's a 30-day challenge, looks like about a 30-day workbook. And this is really going to help you set up that website and set up that irresistible offer and online services so that you can take it to the whole next level. It's so freaking cool. Oh my God, I'm so excited about this. Because, you know, this is finals week, really, and I just got out of like my third test this week, which is AP testing week for those guys that are in there doing it. So I haven't been able to open this for like a whole week, and I'm so excited to get it done with all this stuff. It's like, you know, one funnel away challenge. These guys have pumped it up for a really long time. They put like literally decades of work into it, which is so cool. You can use like one single program to learn, you know, what it's taken these guys years and years and years to learn. Here's your fun little confetti box, which is so cool. But it's like they have the budget, they have the market for it, and they've really built something here that I hope is just phenomenal. It's some crazy stuff. If you guys are interested in like seriously taking, you know, I think this book alone is like, this is like $100, I'd say like a course, but like at the same time you get the online course and the physical distribution. It's crazy cool stuff. There's a link below to check it out. I'll do a book review on this soon, and I'll tell you guys, I'll give you guys an update. I am so excited to go into this. I hope it works for you guys too if you go into it. Have a good one. Thank you.